Nelson Mandela, the greatest African statesman in modern times. Listen to what he says here. A timeless message for all struggling people who are under oppression and corrupt rule. Ashiperi musha murezi pane mashoko akataurwa naNelson Mandela before afa anouya achitaurwa panapa naHope Chiona anoposta video rakachiti aiwa vese vari under oppression necorrupt rule. This is your message yakasiwa taura naNelson Mandela. Sada mina mashoko akataura kuti bva subscribe like or turn on the bell icon. Anonyora achiti they don't want you to hear this side of Mandela, the practical side which he articulated many times. He understood that freedom is not something that is handed to you on a silver platter. It has to be fought for, protected, and cherished. And that is a message that is as relevant today as it was when he first said it. Mandela knew that the struggle for freedom and justice never truly ends, and that it is the responsibility of all of us to keep that flame burning. Ndo mashoko anayatogwa panapa, mashoko atogwa naNelson Mandela achiti freedom haingouyi pasilver platter, but freedom inotoda kutorwirwa, inotoda kuti mutofighta for it. Munofanira kutoiprotect, kuti tinofanira kuprotecta freedom yedu. Mashoko anayatogwa panapa naHope Chiona, mashoko atogwa naNelson Mandela achiti aiwa aitoziva kuti freedom vanhu havazombowana freedom forever, but they have to protect their freedom. Vanofanira kutoibvuta kuti vatozviti aiwa now tava independent, asiri dependent on anyone else. Tudze mafungiro enyu pamusoro mashoko at the great person, the statesman Nelson Mandela. Pena comment section medu, subscribe, kulike, turn on the bell icon.